7520 and the 2755 were bad, and the great people over at Friday Parts realized that. Somebody did point it out, and I didn't even think about it, but the great people over at Friday Parts hit me up and said, hey, we got your solution for that. Block heater cord. So we'll get them both swapped out. So the heater itself is still good, it's just the cord got tired. So we'll pull it out. And we get some moisture in there, which that's not ideal. Okay, so is it the same? Yep, you bend that little tab over, and we have the same pieces, new knot. The cord's a lot longer, so that's not a bad thing. Be able to reach spots, especially on the 7520, you can reach it a lot better. So FridayParts.com, go hit them up. I didn't even think about them having this, but let's put this one in. We're gonna keep showcasing some of their products because clearly they see there's a benefit of you guys watching along. So I appreciate you guys. At the end of the day, yeah, that would have made starting in the winter a lot better. Plus that's a safety hazard. So don't really want to burn it down because the tractor's so new. Top quality one, we'll make it work. We'll get it cleaned up a little bit so it goes back together a lot nicer. Everything inside. Where does it go? There we go. It's on. The nut started. Big upgrades. Tucked away nicely. So this is your throttle. So you don't want it rubbing on this, but this is your kill. So that's an internal cable there. So we are good to go. We'll go, where is the 7520? Around the corner? I think so. This one's honestly worse. Once I get it off, you guys will see exactly what's wrong with this one. But yeah, stuff gets weathered and fails, and 27 starts pretty good in the winter. Plugging them in definitely is nicer. Having the spot next to the shop now to park stuff and hopefully be more organized even come next winter. That'll make a big difference. Okay. Just spray that down. So the cord itself right here started melting. Yeah, that could have been, we could have had a fire with that, which would not have been good. So put the new one in. And if you're interested in these, I almost just slipped on the ice. If you're interested in these, here's the number. Look it up, because I was looking at it, but I couldn't find just the cable, but they pointed out that it was in there and that they had it as a product. Well, this one can go in the trash. We appreciate Friday Parts being a great partner of the channel and hooking us up with some products to showcase for you guys.